Today we are talking about one of the best health habits that demands zero willpower and is completely free. I'm Edgar, I lost 100 pounds in a year and I've been misled by health advice dozens of times. In my opinion, the health advice out there has become too complicated, and my goal is to give you simple and actionable frameworks so you can improve your health without wasting your time. So by respect for your time, I'll tell you this mysterious habit right now. And this habit is hydration. Yes, you probably know that it's important for you to hydrate yourself if you don't want to die. It's essential to your body. Maybe you're even thinking that it's not that big of a deal, or that most people already know everything they need about hydration. But what if I told you that most people still underestimate hydration, even knowing how important it is for the body, and that they actually hydrate wrong? In this video, I'll tell you the benefits of hydration on your health, how to hydrate properly, and finally, the best tips I use to hydrate properly daily without even thinking about it. Let's get into it. So first thing, the benefits of hydration. And before I share them with you, I need to tell you something important. I think that most people see hydration wrong. See, hydration is like attacks from your body. Think that your body is a bank and you need to pay it water daily. If you don't pay your body with water every day, you will get punished. So in real life, it would be maybe more interest, or they seize your assets, or you go in prison. But in this case, it will be your brain will be slower, you'll be super tired, you'll be super hungry, and in the most extreme cases, it can even cause some serious injuries or hallucinations. So it's super important that you pay your body the water it demands daily. Now, if you pay your body taxes properly, your body will reward you. You'll get higher energy levels, so it will be easier for you to do things. You'll need less willpower because you'll be energized. And actually, being higher energy is better for absolutely anything that you want to do in life. And water is really a key component of how energized you feel. Even a mild dehydration, like if you were drinking but not enough, would make your energy levels plummet. If you want to have energy throughout the day and to not crash, you need to drink properly. Second one is that the right hydration increases your blood volume. And that's very important for a few different things. First one is recovery, because in order to recover, your body needs to send the right nutrients to your muscles and the different systems in your body so you can repair yourself. The way of transportation of these nutrients is your blood. So if you drink enough, you have a better blood volume and it will be easier for you to recover. Also, the second thing is that you will have a better performance, especially in sports, because also when you're doing an exercise or an effort, your body needs to send the right nutrients to the right zones. Maybe if you run, it's your legs. Maybe, I don't know, if you're doing a push-ups, it's your upper body. And in order to do that, again, the nutrients are going through your blood. So if you drink enough, you'll have a better blood volume, and in consequence, you'll have better performance because your nutrients will get faster to your muscles. That's very, very important. Now, another benefit of being well hydrated is feeling fuller, because water helps for digestion, and if you don't have enough of it, you'll be hungrier and prone to eating more and take up some weight and being less healthy. Last benefit is that water also drastically improves your focus. It's a bit related to what I said in the first point. Hydration improves your energy levels. So if you have better energy and also steadier levels of energy, that's the important word here, you will get better focus. Because if you're trying to focus on a task and suddenly you get very tired and you get more energy again and tired again and more energy again, these spikes and drops of energy will make it very hard for you to stay focused. But if you keep the same level of energy all the time, it will be easier for you to focus on what you're doing. So hydrate well, because you'll be more energized, you'll have a better recovery, you'll have better performance, you'll feel less hungry, and you'll focus better. Now, how much hydration is enough hydration and how to get enough of it? For the volume of water you need, I'd say aim around 40 milliliters per kilograms of body weight. And if you want a rough range to aim at, I'd say try to drink at least 2.5 liters a day or more, and you'll be great, really. 2.5 liters for most people will be good. And if you're a little bit heavier, like 90 kg or more, try to aim to 3 liters or more. Then, what about coffee and things like that? Because as you might know, caffeine is a diuretic, which means that it makes you eliminate a lot of water and makes you dehydrated. But the truth is that for coffee and maybe things like Coke Zero, this dehydration effect is not strong enough to counterbalance the water that's in your drink. Because in coffee and Coke Zero, for example, most of the drink, like 99%, is water. And the caffeine that's in the drink won't dehydrate you more than the amount of water that you'll drink. So you're good. You can drink Coke Zeros and coffee, it will hydrate you because it's mostly water. Now, of course, you won't drink 2 or 3 liters of water at once. You will drink it throughout the day. What I would advise is to make it a habit. So set up times, maybe your meals, maybe other times that is convenient for you to drink a glass of water, because it will make it also easier to drink the right amount. But we'll see this also in the next section, where I give you tips on how to drink that much water without really thinking about it. Last thing I want to say about how you should hydrate is to talk about electrolytes. So water alone isn't actually super hydrating. It is a mix of water and minerals that allows water to go in your blood and everything and helps you hydrate. So let's say you ate like 0 salt and 0 mineral from your food, you won't get really hydrated by the water you drink. Should you be concerned about that? And the answer to this is it depends. If you're, let's say, someone that exercises a lot, like you're a runner, for example, you run almost every day, or you sweat a lot every day, something like that, you should care about it. Like, it's not really a big deal. Just put a little bit of salt in one of your glass of water and maybe a dash of lemon juice, or eat some foods that got minerals in them throughout the day, and you'll be good. But if you're not sweating that much, you shouldn't even care about it. Like, you will get enough minerals from your food and the salt and different other minerals in your food. You won't lose enough minerals through sweat so that you need to replenish them through, I don't know, supplementation or maybe tweaking a little bit your diet. So for most people, just don't care about it. And if you're sweating a lot, just add in one of the glass of water you drink a dash of salt and maybe lemon juice, or try to eat some food during the day that's high in electrolytes. Kiwis are quite good, cucumber also, and there is many others. Feel free to research them. Now, my best tips so you can drink enough water without even thinking about it. First one is drink a big glass of water before every meal. Like, it's the easiest way to get enough water. Let's say your goal is 2.5 liters. If you drink a 5 deciliter glass with every meal, you already have drunk 1.5 liter during the day just from your meals. Easy. Like, just do that and you're almost assured to hit your goals. Next one. Have a stainless steel bottle. Stainless steel because you won't get microplastic in them. And if you always drink water in the same PET bottle, you'll get microplastic in it and it's not great for your health. That's why I recommend a stainless steel bottle. Also, it's cool because you can put tea in it because it keeps the heat. And if you put cold water in it, it will also stay fresh for a longer amount of time. So pick up a stainless steel bottle and have it with you all day. Because seeing this bottle around you, maybe on your desk, maybe, I don't know, when you're going to work out next to you, it will make you remember that you need to drink. So you'll drink more, because if you don't have water anywhere and you only drink maybe when you have water on the table at your meals or when you see water, you won't drink a lot. But if you have all day long a recipient with water next to you, you will drink more, believe me. These two are really the best tips that you need to implement if you want to be well hydrated without it being too complicated. Now, a small extra tip would be also to maybe drink tea or add lemon in your water if you're not enjoying water that much. But I really do believe that if you drink water long enough, you'll just get used to it. Last thing, just to assess if you're drinking enough water or not, something practical you can do is look at the color of your urine, because if it's really dark yellow, it means that you're not drinking enough. If you're well hydrated, your urine should be like pale yellow color, something like that. And if it's really dark yellow, it's a sign that you might be dehydrated. So keep that in mind if you want to know if you're well hydrated or not. Another thing you can do is do the pinch test. You can just take one of your fingers and do like this, pinch. And if it goes down, it means you're well hydrated. And if it stays up, it means that you are dehydrated. That's also a cool way to know if you're wondering. It's the end of this video. Please check in the description for the link of my newsletter. It's advice and step-by-step guide on how to improve your health. I work really hard to write them every week, so if you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy my newsletter also. Please go check that out. If you want more simple and actionable advice on subjects like this, subscribe to be notified for my next videos. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you next time. Stay healthy.